Hi James, thank you for joining me. Can you please introduce yourself and your company?
Thanks, David. I'm James Slaney from Dubber. We're a cloud-based call recording platform built on top of Amazon Web Services. We're deployed globally, so available in all regions throughout the world. We work with service providers in a way to market, so we enable them to record calls or record communication en masse. By doing that, we've got going towards an AI part of our product that's really changed the way we want to take our product to market.
So you've got a big platform, you can record lots of calls, that's lots of sort of raw voice data, and you're using AI to do what kind of analytics, what kind of AI are you using, and what are you achieving with it?
Yeah, it's a good question. If I look at what we're doing, is because we record or we capture en masse, and we can sort of look at a big service provider, let's say one of the biggest in the country. So they carry a lot of content. Up until now, they haven't been able to capture that content. With Dubber, they can. So we're enabling to go to market in the normal way. But with AI, we now can actually, through transcription or speech recognition, sentiment analysis, we're now changing the way what products they can take to market.
And do you have any specific use cases around the products that are being developed or implemented already?
Yeah, so if we take it down to a real small level, or a small business where they can apply it to, so previously this might be for a large enterprise only, that's where you're sort of thinking about it generally. But what we're trying to do is enable it so it goes to all businesses or available to all businesses. With small business, with sentiment analysis, there could be a positive or a negative phone call coming to their business, where now they can be notified that there was that call happened. Previously, they might have lost a client, and that would have just gone into the ether. Where now they can capture that really easily with Dubber. On a larger scale, we're talking to a health services provider, and what we're doing is with speech recognition. They're building natural language patterns and adding that as the profile of the customer when they call in the next phone call.
So it goes beyond sort of the regulatory requirements or the call centres. Now more businesses can take advantage of this type of analytics work. Are there any particular results or things that companies are achieving they previously hadn't using your technology?
Yeah, so because I guess with AI and a lot of conversations around AI today is that, they're talking about chatbots and everything like such as that. With what we do is we capture, voice, video, and what's being spoken. So by doing that, and because they're now at scale, and we capture at scale, now we actually can bring it down to a lower level. So now we can actually change the way normal smaller business actually operate, and that changes the use case. Where previously it was that what we all imagine is the use case for recording phone calls. Yeah. So now we're looking at every business now has a use case, where it's sales, product management, project management, C-level executives, doesn't really matter who.
And I know there's a lot of talk out there, people are afraid of AI and the rise of the machines, what will take over. But what's your view on where you see AI going and the future?
I guess that there is a lot of that. And I've watched certain movies that sort of propagate that. I watched a movie last night just about that. But I think some of those things are a bit out there today. What we're seeing is really the existing technology, which is the AI technology today, really just becoming available, which has been around for a long time. And now because of the computing power, it's there, it's affordable. Now we can actually start using that, applying that to use cases really.
James, it sounds great. Really like what you're doing. Thank you so much for coming on and telling us a little bit about it.
I appreciate it. Thanks a lot.